who talks all day long. B for Bobo with the soft little song. C for Crow who calls on the wire. D for Duck waddle near the fire.
E for Eagle soaring high in the sky. F for Flamingo standing pretty and shy. G for Goose who honks in a line. H for Hummingbird sipping nectar so fine.
I for Ibis with the long curved beak. J for Jay that plays hide and seek. K for Kingfisher diving fast and bright. L for Lark who sings with morning light.
M for Mina that mimics every sound. N for Nightingale with notes that astound. O for Owl awake through the night. P for Pigeon taking gentle flight.
Q for Quail who loves to run around. R for Robin hopping on the ground. S for Sparrow tiny and sweet. T for Toucan with the beak so neat.
U for Umbrella bird with feathers so bold. V for Vulture watching stories unfold. W for Woodpecker tapping on the tree. X for Xenops pecking happily.
Y for Yellowbird bright as the sun. Z for Zebrafinch chirping for fun. A for Apparat who talks all day long. B for Bobo with the soft little song. C for Crow who calls on the wire. D for Duck waddle near the fire.
E for Eagle soaring high in the sky. F for Flamingo standing pretty and shy. G for Goose who honks in a line. H for Hummingbird sipping nectar so fine.
I for Ibis with the long curved beak. J for Jay that plays hide and seek. K for Kingfisher diving fast and bright. L for Lark who sings with morning light.
M for Mina that mimics every sound. M